Welcome to .com Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to export your WordPress site on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Bluehost account. Then I will jump to the website page to open one of the... Yes, as you see, I have multiple WordPress websites, and next to the WordPress website that you want to export, click on this WordPress admin button. This way, you will automatically log into your WordPress dashboard directly from Bluehost. Now, to export your WordPress site, simply hover over Tools. You will this menu will open up. Select Export, and here, as you see, when you click the button below, WordPress will create an XML file for you to save to your computer. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. When you click the button below, WordPress will create an XML file for you to save to your computer. This format, which is called WordPress Extended RSS or WXR, will contain your posts, pages, comments, custom fields, categories, and tags. Here you can select between exporting all content or simply posts from certain categories or all categories. You can also set same thing for pages, campaigns, posts, and media. For this video, I will export all content, select it, and click on Download Export File. A new file will be downloaded to your computer. Let's view it. This is on my computer. If I preview it or if I open it, this is the content of this exported file. Here, this method will not export your theme files, your plugins, or even your WordPress files. It only exports content like pages, articles or posts, pages, comments, categories, and other content. You may use this file to transfer that content from one site to another. This file is not intended to serve as a complete backup of your site. To import this information into WordPress site, follow these steps. And that's all for this video. And this is how to export your WordPress website on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.